Hey guys, welcome back to CLOCKWISE Crypto. Hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. Diving right into some market updates, and you guys have been wondering where I've been. We'll go into everything right after these market updates. Taking a look at this article, this is pretty interesting. The U.S. Department of Justice is planning to seize millions of dollars worth of crypto allegedly gained from the sale of illegal narcotics. Now, this guy, Christopher Castelluzzo, who is currently in prison, was caught talking on the phone about moving, he moved crypto around. He had some crypto, so he got cash by selling the narcotics and converted them into cryptocurrencies. And when he got nailed and, now he's serving a sentence, he gets caught on the phone, the prison phone, talking about his crypto holdings. So this guy bought 30,000 Ethereum Classic and used that stack of Ethereum Classic that he bought in 2016. He used that then to purchase other cryptos, and essentially he got some Ethereum, and he's saying Castelluzzo attempted to evade by paying taxes by moving his Ethereum, which ballooned up to 54 million in value since the time he bought it, into another country. Now, this is all caught on the prison phone. So I want to see how this plays out, because right now they're saying, the government saying, the civil action we are taking today seeks to recover millions of dollars of cryptocurrency, which the defendant allegedly obtained from drug sales. Now, I'm curious to see how they obtain this. This is going to be something I want to figure out. How are you going to obtain it? If it's on an exchange, I get it. The exchanges are going to sell you out. Oh yeah, here you go. Don't come after us. Here you go. The exchanges are going to sell you out. We can bet on that. Not your keys, not your coins, right? But I want to see if he has these on a private wallet. He has the secret phrases himself, and he has it on a private wallet. I want to see how this happens, because you don't have the recovery phrase, and you don't have the code. He doesn't give you the code. What are you going to do? So that's kind of what I want to see with this article. I wanted to talk about this article. It came out yesterday, and really wanted to see how that plays out. Taking a look at this other article, Solana. So I've been hearing a lot about Solana. Raoul Pal, who's the ex-Goldman Sachs executive, you see him around, and he was pretty much on a channel saying that Solana, which is at 41.76, he could see Solana going from anywhere from $800 to $1,000 a clip. Okay. So for me, I actually made a good amount of money with Solana. This is before the hack happened, before all that nonsense happened. But what you're seeing is Solana, they have to sell Sol right now. They have to sell it because they have to pay back all these people, legal fees and everything. They have to sell the token, which is why you're seeing a lot of selling pressure. But Raoul Pal saying through that, you're seeing the confidence in Solana continue to build, the community strong, and everything can run on Solana. That narrative is still good. So his prediction for Solana is anywhere between $500 and $1,000, just depending on how what the market feels like. That's encouraging to hear. Solana, we did well with Solana. We did very well with Solana, and would love to see how that plays out. I don't hold Solana anymore, especially before that happened. I got out because we ended up doing something with it. I think we bought a car with it. I don't remember. But with Solana, I would love to see them continue to grow, because the community is strong. The community is super strong, and that's what you're going to see with top tier projects. And Raoul Pal does not put his name on everything. He typically, last thing I heard, he was really heavy on Ethereum. He doesn't really deviate from the top 10. Like, you don't really hear him talking about anything outside of the top 10. So really encouraging to hear him talk about Solana like that. So that we'll see how that goes. Bitcoin going in some TA. Bitcoin is pretty much rallying up. It broke our line here, our levels of support. You see how our levels of support and resistance are really almost spot on. I mean, look at how much it's respecting that level. And for us, as we were saying, I had everything going down unless we broke this level. I had everything pulling back unless we broke this level. I sang it from the mountaintop for months. I'm like, look, 15,000's in play. I said that, and I'm not going back on my word. I definitely said that contingent upon us staying below 32,000. And we wrecked that, went right back up to this level of resistance, broke this level, went right up to this level, respecting this level at this point. And what's happened is everything's been hype around this Bitcoin ETF. Everything, the movement, the shift. Bitcoin ETF's happening today at 5 o'clock. Bitcoin ETF is happening today. It's going to happen today at 2 p.m. Watch out for the announcement. There was even a fake announcement of a Bitcoin ETF that had everybody going crazy. So I want to see what's going to happen. I'm not necessarily bullish. I wouldn't say I'm bullish, guys. I would not say I'm bullish. What I would say is I am optimistic. If we look at the crypto fear greed and we pull that up to see what exactly is going on, it's like 74 right now. We can actually look it up here, put it on this screen. It's at about 74. And you guys see greed. Last week's greed. Last month was neutral because everyone was like, what the heck? And just the momentum has just been, people have been going crazy, right? And to be honest with you, I'm only buying when it's yellow or red. When it's neutral or fear, that's when I buy. When the greed now, this is not when I want to get in. If I'm dumping a significant bag, or if I'm not dollar cost averaging, I'm dumping a significant bag into the markets, I would want to take positions when it's yellow or red. When it comes to this crypto fear greed meter, I do not want to take any positions when it's outside of that. So a lot of you have been asking where have I been? Where was I? Guys, last bull run, we did pretty well. And let me check this camera quick. The last bull run has been pretty well. And for us, we bought an apartment complex. So everyone, we're so new to the apartment game. We got into, we bought our apartment complex with crypto last year. And with that, we had 3 units. We had to kick one guy out, and then we had 3 other units where we had to turn all at the same time. So that's where I've been. I've been in the trenches. Typically for us, our whole notion is we get into crypto, make money in crypto, take the crypto out, put it into cash flowing assets. At this time, nothing in crypto really cash flows the way I want it to. If it is, it's like short term, it pays you out and then it stops. Haven't really seen anything outside of a node or outside of a staking pool that really cash flows the way I need it to. So we put it in cash flow producing assets, real estate, and that's really been what we've been doing. So I've been in and out of that apartment complex, just getting ready to get some tenants in. Value add, so we buy value add cash flow and producing properties, and that's pretty much where I've been, guys. So I'm very much in tune with what's going on. I just haven't been able to make a video. So let's dive into these markets here. Taking a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is at that level, but Ethereum didn't break out yet. So Ethereum's heading towards that same level, didn't break out yet. H-bar broke out of our triangle, cleared it. So now for H-bar, I'm looking to get this level cleared. If we continue upwards, we'll break above this level here. We'll see if that happens. I will actually get rid of this because it cleared it. I'll get rid of this right here because it cleared, and then I'll pull this out here, and then this is kind of how I would have it if I had to make a level of resistance. So we'll put it right here. There's really nothing else there. I would say just right here would be good. And to see how we can respect this level of resistance. The bottom level of resistance was moving pretty well. It was really the top one. So we'll see. I want to see us break this and make a new high. That will kind of confirm to me that H-bar's out of the danger zone. Cardano's doing the same thing, headed towards a new level of resistance. Love Cardano. Cardano's actually a sleeper. Like everyone talks about, a lot of projects have left. A lot of projects are still coming to Cardano. I don't think, and I think that's something to pay attention to. The fact that Cardano doesn't have the most hype right now. No one's talking about Cardano. When I say no one, that's I'm generalizing it, but not a lot of people are talking about Cardano, at least like the way we used to. And I think Cardano is going to be one of those sleepers to hit $5 to $10 next bull run. So pay attention to that. Going to be making showing you guys and making a video of this project, which is a channel sponsor of ours, Angelo. Cool project that I like. I love what they're doing, so stay tuned for that. And really exciting times to be in the market, guys. Exciting times to be in crypto. I do think that there is a ton of hype right now. So pay attention to that. You don't want to buy when everyone is excited and everyone's, oh, it's bull run. It's not really the time you want to take positions. For us, and this isn't financial advice, but for us, we want to take positions when there is blood on the streets. We want to take positions when people are fearful. We want to take positions where the crypto fear greed indicator is neutral or in fear zone. Okay, so pay attention. I do think that to be honest with you, I do think that we're one article or one announcement away, one negative announcement away from really just zapping everything just being floored again. All it takes is someone saying, yeah, the Bitcoin ETF's not approved, and then it's going to be clockwork. So pay attention to that, guys. Hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. We'll see you soon.